you're wondering as to how do I seek information about so many work opportunities in so many different fields? Well, don't you worry. You will get this information through various electives in MSc IT. So when you see a screen like this in front of you in the course, you choose the elective you want from the available ones, and it will give you information about that work opportunity. You will also be informed about various freelancing websites where such work opportunities are available. You will also find out the skills that you require for these work opportunities and how to get a job like this by actually going to a freelancing site. And not to forget, a smartphone can be a very helpful tool for you while doing so many such gigs. As you can see, smartphones are a great tool to work in different modes of freelancing. The reason being the processor and the memory of smartphone is just as powerful as any laptop or computer. It offers very easy internet connectivity, including inbuilt sensitive microphone, touchscreen, very effective camera, and various third-party applications support. But at the same time, these smartphones come in a very affordable price. All these features work on smartphones, increasing your productivity amazingly. And apps on these smartphones and their ability to work is as good as the different licensed software that can be used on the computer. And so the smartphone and various apps on it can be used very effectively for professional work. Moreover, a report says that more than 45% of freelancers today use smartphones for their professional work. And that's why you will also experience it while you are learning this course. Electives. You can learn more than 200 different amazing free and open source tools such as Scribus for creating professional layouts of different printing materials, GIMP for retouching and editing photos, Canva for creating social media promotionals, Icogram for creating icons of various shapes and types, Thunkable for creating apps in the very short time, Wix for quickly creating professional websites, and so many. One common thread in all of this is that of the online freelancing, for which all you need is a laptop or computer with a smartphone and a 4G internet connection. We are sure learning about various freelancing opportunities and working on actual tools and gaining skills through creatives, you will be able to do excellent work through freelancing and will succeed as a freelancer. You will have a very unique and amazing experience of learning most of the tools. At times, when you learn a tool, you may already be familiar with some of its skills. If you are already having those skills, then you will be given an opportunity to perform those skills, for which you will be asked a few questions. Questions correctly. If you perform those skills correctly, then you will be taken to the next skill. For example, creating a resume, that is a biodata. To start with, you will be given introduction to the importance of resume and its usefulness. Then you can start by selecting a template. While customizing this template, you will be asked few questions regarding each of the steps that needs to be taken for the customization. For example, can you change the photo in this resume? You may choose the option yes or no. If you click yes, you will have the opportunity to change the photo there. But if you don't succeed while you try, or if you choose the option no, that you cannot change the photo, then you will be shown a hint video of how to change the photo. Similarly, an opportunity to try it out. Similarly, you will also be asked questions for the further steps, and you will be taken to next skill one after the other. In this way, you can quickly be able to understand and create various outputs that are required for you to be job ready. This is called self-path learning, where you choose the path of your learning and will get support from us as and when you require it. So in fact, you can decide the pace of your learning. So what say? Let's get started.